Heating the right way is important not only for our comfort and durability of the fireplace, but also to keep things environmentally friendly. Romotop fireplace inserts provide the one-of-a-kind atmosphere of a real flaming fire and natural heat. Before placing the wood, it's a good idea to leave a layer of ash on the bottom of approximately 2 to 3 centimeters. You get a higher combustion temperature and better burning conditions. First, load the chamber with larger pieces of wood. Then place the smaller ones, fire starter or paper, and finally kindling. Remember before starting the fire to fully open the air control. Light the upper firing material for optimal warm-up of the system. To support burning, let the door slightly open for the first few minutes. Then, during standard heating, keep the door closed at all times. Don't download more firewood until the flames completely disappear and the base is covered with embers. To load more firewood, open the door a few centimeters and wait for around 10 seconds for the pressure to even out. That way, you'll avoid any spilling of ash and smoke into the room. Try to put new pieces of firewood to the back wall of the fireplace. Romotop fireplace inserts are equipped with an air washing system. Keeping the distance thus ensures that the glass stays as clean as possible for an unobstructed view of the flames. Observe the recommended amount when refueling. Be sure to encourage sufficient burning intensification by supplying enough combustion air. The intensity of the flame can be easily controlled by opening and closing of the air control. Enjoy the view of the flames, warmth and coziness that Romotop products bring you.